Hello guys, welcome to another trading video. I hope you all are well. Today we are trading in New Zealand dollar versus US dollar. According to me, a very good opportunity has been created in this pair. Guys, you have any question you can ask in below comments section. I will do my best to answer you. Whatever I will tell in this video will be of great use to you. Meet guys after applying trade. Guys, we have applied trade with full margin. You can also apply trade with full margin, but you must know your losses so that you can follow the right risk management here. My loss will be around $700. Now let me explain to you why we applied sell trade here. The spring is going sideways for 3 to 4 days, but the market is in a downtrend for the last 7 days. Here again the opportunity of selling has been created. I'm taking the trend line here. Market is currently following this trend line. Connect all the lower high points well here, so that our trend line is the perfect draw. The more accurate the trend line is drawn, the more accurate the analysis will be. Draw another trend line with the same angle at the lower low point from this trend line. We will be able to get an idea of how far the market can go down so that we can close the trade in profit before it reverses. Our target will also be inside this trend channel here. Our trend channel is working perfect, from which we can find out the proper lower low, lower high. The market is currently near our upper trend line. Here we expect the market to take this trend line as resistance because the strong trend of the market is downtrend. Here we can make a good profit. At this level we will get multiple support resistance points which gives signal of strong reversal. It is necessary for us. At these points you can see that the market took support first and later broke the level and created multiple resistance points. You can see such points in the future as well, which are being created again and again. Here also you can see multiple resistance points due to which the market is respecting this level. Still, last time market has taken resistance can go down as we analyzed. If our analysis is correct, then we will be able to grow the account. Our analysis work is complete. Now we have to set stop loss and target points so that we know when to exit the market. Here you will be able to understand all the analysis points very well, which are drawn in a very simple way. My stop loss will be up 18 pips, which will be above the strong support resistance level and outside the trend channel. Stop loss will be hit if the market moves out of the trend channel here. And my target point will be 36 pips down, where the market will make a new lower low, which is expected to be 90% because the market is running in a strong downtrend. Guys, right now our profit is running around $23. This account of ours is of $1,000, which are growing. If there is a loss here, a lot can be learned from that loss. Let's see how long the market follows our setup here. Our profit has increased from $23 to $30. You can easily see the stop loss and target points on the chart. We clearly know when to exit the market. Most of the traders do not know when to exit the trade. Where small loss is to be given, they give big loss. Where big profit is to be made, there it is spent in small profit, due to which you are not able to follow the right risk management and always remain in loss. Guys, here's a setup that's right in front of you. This setup was created 20 days ago where I missed a great opportunity for a trendline breakout, but I didn't apply this trade because my stop loss was bigger. Never take a trade in the middle. If your trade is missed, most of your loss will be in that trade. Guys, now we wait for our goals to be achieved. We have done the right analysis according to the market. Let's see what the result is. Guys, meet after stop loss and target is hit.
Gonna die on this hill. Be ready to fight and be ready to kill. You cannot stop me, I'ma make it to the top spicy. Call a covenant, not cocky. You cannot break me, this world's mine for the taking. Got an inch, man, I'm making. Oh, I'll keep my head down and try to be patient. I'll take a step at the top of the ceiling. They can all try, but you cannot contain it, cause I see the things that I want and I'm taking my good. I'm out to the free limit. Doing what it takes to the free committed. I'm a little obsessed with things, I'll admit it, but that's what it takes to get a freedom.
Beautiful move, guys. The market has given a very good move downwards that hit our target. Market became very volatile after applying our trade, due to which we had to wait for a long time, but we did not close the trade in between. Our target point was at this level, which got hit with the big red candle. If you look back a bit, the market came to this level, but target was not hit due to 5 pips. This is another strong level created. Let's draw it. The market had earlier taken support at this level. but could not break in the move before, but now the market has broken this level. Now the market can move towards the downside by taking resistance at this level. Now we close the trade. Our target is complete. Now we are not interested in whatever move the market gives us. Our trade was only till here. Guys, our profit is running around $1,371 here. We have doubled our account. You can also generate good profit by analyzing it on simple price action basis. Like if you like the video, see you in the next video. Till then, always keep learning, keep moving forward.